In the Jewish oral law, the married women were not allowed to speak in the synagogue, but had to ask their questions of their husbands at home. This is only in the oral law. There is no such law in the law of Moses. This also shows us the era of the people Paul was addressing. You cannot ask questions of your husband at home if you do not have a husband. Paul is dealing with the local situation at the Corinthian church and the wives who were disrupting the church service. Paul is not giving a commandment for all women for all times to always be totally silent in church. Paul himself said that women can speak and minister in church, as per 1 Corinthians 11 verse 5. If any woman in a place of leadership within the church prays or prophesies in public,